Okay, number 6. 8 divided by 2/10. So we have 8 is being divided by 2/10. Now remember, your divisor, the guy on the outside, needs to be a whole number. This guy has to be a whole number. So what whole number would that be? 2/10 would be a 2. Now, once I move this decimal one place to the right to make it 2, I have to take this decimal and move it one place to the right. Well, where's your whole decimal on whole number 8? It's at the end. And I need to move it one place to the right. Decimal goes straight up, and I annex a 0. So that's going to be now, instead of 8, it's going to be 80. So instead of it being 8 divided by 2/10, it's now 80 divided by 2. So bring it down here. So the 2/10 becomes a 2. 8 becomes an 80. 2 goes into 80 40 times. All right? So 8 divided by 2/10 gives me 40.